If you want to add an extra layer of protection to your Samsung Galaxy A56, turning on auto blocker is one of the best security features you can enable. In this guide, I'll show you how to activate it in just a few simple steps. Begin by unlocking your Samsung Galaxy A56 and opening the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or inside the apps drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Security and Privacy, then tap on it to open Samsung's security settings. Inside the Security and Privacy menu, scroll down to the Additional Security Settings section. Here, look for the option called Auto Blocker and tap on it. This feature is designed to help protect your phone by blocking potentially harmful activities, including unauthorized app installations, suspicious commands sent through a USB connection, and other security risks that could compromise your device. On the auto blocker page, you'll see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Simply tap the switch to turn it on. If Samsung displays a confirmation message explaining how the feature works, read through the information and tap Agree or Turn on to continue. Once enabled, Auto Blocker will immediately begin protecting your Galaxy A56 with Samsung's built-in security safeguards. You can return to this menu anytime if you want to review the available protection options or customize supported security features depending on your software version. That's it. Your Samsung Galaxy A56 now has Auto Blocker enabled, helping prevent unauthorized app installations and adding another layer of protection to your personal data. Keeping this feature turned on is a smart way to improve your phone's security without affecting your everyday use. Thanks for watching.